What's going on, everybody? So the following video is going to be just a little mashup of all the stuff that happened on the Wales trip. We were having too much of a good time that we just forgot to film. So let us know what you think, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.
We are at the first stop, Caffeine and Machine. We've got a table booked, we're going to go in, grab something to eat. Probably stop for about an hour, then we'll head straight to do I think it's about 3.5 hours, 3 hours, 45 minutes drive to Liverpool. Catch you in a bit. There's an Alpine. There appears to be a stunning lack of people.
Oh, get everyone going for a load. You want to sit down? I need to go to the floor. I didn't realise the 126 that day going there.
So we're going to drop our stuff off and try and get some of the weight out of the cars, except the rear-wheel drive cars, and we'll set up some GoPros in a couple of the cars, and then we're going to go out drive around the Evo Triangle for the rest of the day. We've upset him, he's leaving already. What's happened? We're here at the top of the Evo Triangle. Look at the phenomenal scenery. Look at that thing though. What is that? Oh, there's really no anywhere in the region. Look at that. That brings on fire. They're well and truly bedded in, I'd say.
What's going on, everyone? So, me and Matt decided to take a little stop from the road trip. Climb up this it must be at least Everest.
Yeah, it's got to be at least the same height as Everest.
And yeah, just taking in the views. Look at this. Who knew this existed?